Friends, in this video I am going to share with you and explain with you few of high CPC Google AdSense niches, that means subject or topic. Though there are many, but it is not practically possible to cover all those, but here I have given you the best one, and most of them has high CPC, RPM and CPM. So let's see one by one. First one is insurance. This niche has many profitable sub niche. You can go with the life insurance, travel insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance and health insurance. So here are some of the highest paying keywords for the insurance niche according to the keyword planner. This is all data I have just collected and analysis and giving you on the basis of keyword planner. Keyword is a Google keyword planner which is absolutely free. So as you can see, business insurance, the monthly search volume is this and the range of CPC cost is somewhere how this much. Okay, now you are watching this video, maybe when you are searching this figure can be up and down, that means monthly search may be up, maybe down, and CPC cost may be up or maybe down, but just consider is as of now scenario. Okay, now you can see the second one is the auto insurance. This is also an this much of CPC and monthly search volume. Another is car insurance quotes. This is also that much of monthly traffic and CPC cost. Insurance quotes, you can see that much, and you have to be, if you are going to make a blog or a website related to quotes, so I highly recommended you go with the insurance or the car insurance or the auto insurance related quotes. Okay, homeowners insurance, this much of traffic and this much of CPC cost. Like that, cheap car insurance, life insurance. Okay, I hope you're seeing this table. Now we will see the cryptocurrency. Now this very in demand and trending Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but in that also you can go the sub niche basically. Okay, like that, crypto companies, crypto investment, coin tracker, cryptocurrency trading. Now we will see the table of this one. SEC coin, it is a one type of coin and monthly volume and CPC cost. Top crypto companies you can see here, and Courage crypto, maybe it's a specific crypto. Okay, like that, coin tracker, like we build crypto, best crypto wallets, best platform for buy cryptocurrency, so as such on. Okay, now we will see the another one, that is on the health and fitness. Here are the most profitable sub niche of health and fitness niches. UFit, corporate fitness, fitness professionals, health and fitness website, physical trainers, physical fitness. Now we will see the table also. As you can see, these are the table which is as come under the health and fitness. You can see over here. Now we will see the another one, the real estate. Some of the profitable sub niches of real estate niche are as follows. As you can see, realtor, real estate agent, property agent, buy homes, and these are the basically table as you can see over here. If you want this PDF file, you will get, I will tell you at the end of this video where you will get this PDF file. Okay, digital marketing, a sub niche. Basically this is my core area and this is the main area, digital marketing. But in here also you can go with the sub niche. You can go with the search engine optimization, you can go with the internet marketing, Google ads, that is not paid advertising. You can go with a digital media or a PPC agency if you are running PPC agency. As you can see, this is the basically keywords which are come under this digital marketing agencies, advertising, media advertising and so on. As you can see, the CPC is very high. Okay, now you will see the another one, online learning. Some of the online learning sub niches are distance learning, online schools, online classes, online ads, virtual schools. As you can see, these are the keywords, monthly search volume and CPC range under this category, basically on this online learning sub niches. Okay, next one is the automobile. Some of the sub-niche of automobile niches are car brands, vintage cars, German cars, American cars, top car brands, or your country specific. It can be from country to country also. You can go with that one also. Here I take an example of California State Automobile Association, automobile technician, top American car brands. That means I take from the American as an example. You can go with your country. Okay. Now we will see the another one, which is online banking. You can go with the sub-niches of online banking like mobile banking, virtual cards, online banking apps, online payment solutions, digital banking. Okay, as in that case also you can see apply for the bank account online, open saving accounts, open bank account, set up bank account. All these things are very sales volume is not so much as much high in the another one which I have given the example of above, as you can see, but the thing is that the CPC cost is very high. You can see it is almost in 2 or 3 figures. Okay, now the another one is the last one but not the least one is blogging. Under the blogging sub-niche you can go with the travel blogging, you can go with the fashion blogging, food blogging, guest blogging, WordPress blogging. You can choose any one of them. As you can see, I have taken the example of Bluehost blog. That is a hosting company. As you can see, the CPC cost is very high. Even a self-hosted WordPress, blog hosting, WordPress, how to start a blog, best blog hosting sites, Squarespace blog. It's an CMS and LMS service provided by the third-party company. It's a very famous company. Okay, you can go with that one also. Like that, you can see these are the high CPC with high RPM, CPM, and a good CPC cost you will get AdSense if you have choose any one of these niche or sub niches. Though there are many, but I have covered the best one. So now the question is come, where you get this PDF file. So if you want this PDF file, you have to go to the my Facebook account. Facebook, basically log into your Facebook and go to my Facebook group. Okay, this is my Facebook group, Digital Marketing Lifestyle Business. Okay, here you have to go, and here you go and join this, and before that you have to just go and send me a friend request. Okay, this is my account, my personal ID on Facebook. You just send me a Facebook on friend request. I will and say hi, hello, and I want high CPC niche list. Then I will send you a list, and where you will get into my Facebook group in file section. But before that you have to just send me a friend request, and after that I will give you the file directly and give you the bad access into this here. Okay, if you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me here, or if you have any another questions or personal queries or business related queries, anything related, that you can go to join my Facebook group. I will guide you and help you. Thank you, my friends.